Hello friends, a little cozy story time. How are you? How is your heart? Hmm. Hmm. This peace, this love, this joy that's prevailing in the heart is the ever-present now space that does not need any change, that does not need anything from the outside in order to be. That is the source of everything, inside, outside. Yeah, you can call it love. Hey kitty. You know, whatever you are going through, know that it is sacred. It is life supporting you. You may not see it as this in the beginning, but in long-term picture, you can't comprehend the beauty of the orchestration of things that's happening for you to really see the mystery of life, realize your own true self, and remember your innate being that is the source of peace, love, joy. Everything you wish is already here within you now. And I'm sending you love and big hug. If it feels confusing, if it feels lonely on your journey, if it feels painful, disorienting, things are changing, transforming, falling apart, no one is prepared for that. And yet if we stay open, if we stay unbothered by our internal narrative thoughts, if we remain as a spaceless space that allows all things to rise and fall, then equilibrium may take its place and be revealed to you within your own being, within your own seeing, the harmony itself. You are that harmony, and just detach from all external pictures, voices, thoughts, ideas, hopes. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. And be what you are already here and now. Yes. You know, things may fall apart, fall away. Know that this is for good. It may seem to a person that it has no ground anymore, no foundation to have its house on, and yet you are getting ready to fly, to be who you are. You don't need a ground, you don't need a house. You are everything. You are everywhere. How can you lose anything? It's all within you. It's all you. story of Anna. She seemingly lost many things, yet only to show her that she wasn't dead. It's so benevolent, it's so sacred, it's so divine. Every little moment, every mundane, ordinary moment, every pain, every challenge, it's all here for us, guiding us to who we really are. And as soon as we start attaching ourselves to the pleasant feeling situation and build our grounder, we may be shown that this is not it. No, 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 no. Go within. Go back to your heart, to yourself, to your home, to the source of the source, to the source of life itself. Everything that seemingly leaves you is freeing up the space for more of you to come true, to come to be. Everything that you lose sets you free. If you allow it, if you see it for what it is. It is your own naked being. When you're left with just yourself, just inner space, inner stillness, silence. All the power and glory, all the love starts to fill up your whole being and permeate your whole life and fill up all those empty voids and spaces that you try to numb or fill up with experiences, happy occasions that are transient. And here you are, totally blissful, at peace, with nothing at all. How can that be? We are taught that we all need to make it perfect on the outside in order to be happy. It's a lie, it's a lie, 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 that we all collectively agreed on. No regret, no shame. This is life. No one told us to remember our being and know our true nature. So when everything else fails, we may start to ponder, to wonder, to question, to go back to basics. Go back to basics. It's so simple. Yes. Don't force anything. Don't push. Just stay open. And you may be filled with the grace of love, of God, of beauty. And now it's your grace. No separation. Yes. Surrender and acceptance, relaxation is the key. clarity over yourself, your true self may start to flow through you. But it's not a fixed structure. It's just the flow of life first. That is inherently free and happy. Stop all searches and hopes, beliefs, dreams. Let it all go. For what you dream of or for. You can't comprehend the magnificence that is waiting for you when you let go of all hopes and dreams and desires of your own being. Simply when you don't touch the mind, the whole totality presents itself to you when you are empty of you. So beautiful, so peaceful, so wonderful, alive, tender, sweet. True. Seeing results in a happy being. So look for the essence. Look deep as you can go within and let go everything that appears in front of you, everything that appears within you, let go, detach, allow. Blessings to you.